Everything you do is amazing. I got what you need. Free love out. Hey y'all, what is good? What's good? I'm on my way to do my hair. I'm on my way. I'm here to do my hair. We are getting butterfly locks for the very first time. Y'all know I love getting my faux locks. I haven't got them in a year. I got them around this time last year for Valentine's Day, the day after my engagement, which is almost a year ago. Today is February the 4th. So I got my hair done like this on February the 12th. So, or I got my hair in faux locks the last time was February the 12th. But yes, we are about to try butterfly locks for the very first time. Let's go. Let's do this real quick. Before. All right, let's go. Yeah, there's at least. Hello.
Welcome, welcome.
I know it's been so long.
I know.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? What's marriage like?
It's good.
Last time I saw you, you were single.
I know. Yeah, that was the last time I came was the day I got engaged, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I was just looking.
The day after.
The day after, yeah. Because I got engaged on the 11th and I think it came the 12th. Yes.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.
You're funny.
My turn. So come give me love.
Your turn.
No,
Okay, bye. I never
Okay.
felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening.
Alright, y'all, so all these ants. Ugh. Anyways, the hair is done. As you can see. This is the length. I can't wait till they loosen up. It's gonna be really nice once it's loose. Right now it's looking a little stiff because it's fresh. But once it's loose, it's gonna look really like nice. So I have so many ants in my car. But yeah, I love it. So if you want to follow her on Instagram to get your hair done, South Florida, Here's her name right here. And get you some locks. I usually get the long ones, as y'all know, but I just want to try this one instead today, and I really like it. I just can't wait till it loosens up so it can look like I got, you know, real shreds. Let's take a little boomerang. Alright, so anywho, we are about to go home. I have to get, oh my gosh, there's peacocks. What the heck? Real live peacocks. What in the world? Wow, they're just like literally right in front of my car. I'm scared to get out, but I want to get a better view. Sir, get out of the way. I need to go. I'm waiting for them to open their feathers. Alright, well, that's that. Peacock's like, get somebody else to do it. Let's ride. I need to go home to get ready because I have somewhere to go at 3. And then, I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Probably just gonna go home and chill. It's Saturday, so I'm not really in the mood to do much. I really wanted to do my brows and stuff, but I'm gonna wait till next weekend. I'm gonna bring my camera just in case something funny happens, but it's really more like a family thing, and so I'm not really trying to record my family. I just looked in the back seat and there were so many ants back there because I left my cup that I had juice this morning, so the cup that I used I put in the back seat hoping the ants wouldn't get to it because I usually see them in the front. Well, they're now all in the back. So anyways, just rambling, but I'm about to go home, get dressed, and I'm gonna get back on this camera. I'm probably just gonna do my brows and lashes and then call it a day. So cute. I'm definitely gonna film now that my hair is done. I'm gonna film a get ready with me tomorrow morning, hopefully, and then yeah. Hey y'all, so today we are going to be doing a behind the scenes of me putting together a lookbook for you guys, which will be up before you see this clip. So I'm going to be doing a series on my YouTube and my Instagram and shorts and TikTok, where I'm going to be doing 5 colors of spring. So the first color is pink, and then we're going to do yellow, green, orange. So pink, green, yellow, pink, yellow, green, orange, and then maybe baby blue. I haven't decided the last color yet, or probably just blue in general. Yeah, so first we're going to start with the pink. So before I went to church earlier, I laid out some of my pink outfits, and I'm just going to put them together and try them on prior to the lookbook so that I can see what goes and what doesn't. So that's what I'm about to do. So this is going to be a little behind the scenes. Alright, so let's go ahead and try on a few of these outfits. Again, these are just like some of my pieces that I pulled out from my closet, and I'm going to just do 3 outfits. I'm thinking casual. So I have this 2-piece, but it's really a gym set, but it could be a lounge. Try this on. Alright, so we have this from Zara, first of all. Alright, so I have this 2-piece, which is more of an inside lounge, but it definitely could be out if I dressed it up right. So let's see if I did this with, so I have these sneakers. And then this jean jacket. I don't know. This is really not practical. This is more totally for in the house. So I think this set is out of the equation. All right, so we have jeans. We can do jeans and a top. And I can do with some jeans. All right, so here's the first outfit. So I have my Eagle heels, my Shein jeans, and then my Zara crop, which is not all the way on, but you get the picture. Brunch with the girls. All right, all my accessories are in the other room right now. I have this big bag. Nice. I like this outfit. What do y'all think? This is cute. Not sure about the bag, but it is the right color. All right, so I'm gonna put this outfit aside. I'm gonna name this outfit Brunch with the Girls. Yeah, all right, so this outfit is complete. So next, all right, so we have this one next. It's already a set. This is from Shein, and this could be like a date night type of outfit. I wish I had those new sandals from Tory Burch. That would be really, really good with this outfit. Bubblegum pink. Shoes. Got these. Got these heels, which are actually the right color. Yeah, so yeah, quick little monochromatic. I actually like this set. I need to wear it. Alright, so that's that. Yeah, this is not bad. I like this. Okay. Next. Alright, so we got more casual. So we've got this. I'm not sure about the top. The top is throwing me off with this a lot. H&M sports thing. I need a belt. No, the belt is giving too much matchy vibes. Alright, so we have this blush top and this cream skirt from Shein. I actually really like this. This is actually really, really cute. Shoes. It's going to be the problem because I don't want to put a color that doesn't really match outfit particularly. These blush shoes I wore this small. Oh wow, this is like spot on the same color. Definitely want to show a little something here and here. This is so cute. This is going to be the dinner, brunch, casual, dinner. That's it for this clip. I hope you guys enjoy the lookbook when you see it. Make sure you comment and tell me which outfit is your favorite. First, I'm gonna go get my nails done because gotta be, you know, stepping, and it's that time. I'm gonna get something spring-like. Super excited. Let's go ahead and get our nails done for my girl Sugar Nails. I haven't been to her since December. It's March. So yeah, the Rapids is open. Not the Rapids open. Well, spring break. So all right, let's go y'all. It's been too long.
I know.
How you doing, girly?
Girl, working.
Yeah.
Getting it in where I can.
Alright.
You look good, friend.
Thank you.
You losing weight?
Yes.
I know that's right, boy. You see that
Alright.
figure coming in?
I need to